Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another off-road trailer we just got in stock this morning. This is a 2018 7x16 off-road trailer. This one is in a charcoal blackout package. You guys can see it does have that diamond plate rock guard along the bottom. This is the extra tall diamond plate rock guard for you guys, as well as the diamond plate on the corner. So good rock protection there. You also have an extended triple tube tongue with a generator platform here in the front. Cargo Craft also does a great job with running lights. You've got a lot of running lights on the exterior of this unit as well, so you guys can see where it is at night, which is a bonus. Side door also has the RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection on that side door. Plus you've got a window. This is a tinted slider window with a screen right there in the side door, so another nice feature there. And then the gutter over that side door. This one does have a power package as well. We'll talk about that more inside, but you've got an exterior GFI outlet located right there for you guys. Two 3,500-pound torsion axles with brakes, of course. Plus you've got the black diamond plate fender, black American racing wheels, 32-inch mud terrain tires, and then this one is equipped with the LED recessed light bars. I love these. These are super bright lights. It's going to give you guys great party light here at night. You also have the all aluminum roof rack with ladder on the side, so that gives you guys some exterior storage, which is nice. And then you also have the drop down stabilizer jacks here in the back to give you guys that extra stability when you're camping. Side vents with this unit as well. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close, so it's easy to open and close the rear ramp door of this trailer. And I'm going to show you guys this side, and then we'll go inside and talk about the inside. So here's a good shot. Now you guys can see here on the back ramp, we also have two of the LED spotlights. These are super bright lights. They're directional, so you guys can tilt those down, angle them down more if you want. And then the light switch for those is located right here, right inside the ramp door. So you guys need light at night when you get to camp, drop this ramp door, flip that light switch on, and it's gonna give you the lighting that you need. So this one, of course, is insulated. So we've got insulated walls and ceiling with this unit, 7-foot interior height as well, and then the white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. And then come inside a little bit closer here, you guys can see there's two of those 18x44 slider windows with screens right there across from each other. Plus you've got that one in the side door, which is a great feature. 6 D-rings in this unit, so we've got 2 here at the rear, 2 in the middle, 2 up front. And then let's talk about lighting. This trailer is loaded with lights. I love it. You've got 4 of these LED spots. These are the little, puck lights here on this side, and 4 on this side. So these are really bright, super efficient little lights. They all have toggle switches on them, so you guys can control those individually, or just have them all hooked up and they'll flip on with that switch right there. Then you've also got 2 4-foot LEDs on the ceiling. So great different lighting, again, different switches so you guys can control what you're doing. You will never complain about not having enough light in this trailer with all these lights. I love it. Now, this was also equipped with a nudo floor. The nudo floor is a superior product. It's great performing on top here, but also has performing benefits underneath. Underneath this floor is called Drymax. Drymax is a product that does not absorb any water or moisture. So what that does for you guys is gives you a much better product underneath the trailer for longevity purposes and can help with the floor rotting out and etc. So superior product. We love our nudo floor. Sorry, this one's still dirty. The guys haven't swept it out yet, but I just wanted to get this out to you guys right away. So again, 30 amp power package. So you guys can see that's your power package right there with that cord. You take this cord, pop it right through that little black cord port right there, and you can go into your generator or the campground or your extension cord, whatever you're doing. And then that's going to power up these 4 interior outlets for you. We've got 3 right here in the front, 1 more at the back, plus the exterior GFI, so 5 in total. It's going to run your AC unit with the heat strip and your 4-foot LEDs. So gives you guys a lot of different features there with having that power and AC unit in here. You do have about a 5,000-pound payload capacity with this trailer. Now these are the light switches that are going to work your interior lighting. So you've got one here that's going to run all of your puck lights, one's going to run your 2 4-foot LEDs, and then one is going to run those exterior party lights that we talked about on the side of the trailer. So again, love the lighting on this unit. It's awesome. Back side of this door does have this RV lock, which gives you guys this piece right here, which you guys can see is another deadbolt, so just a secondary lock, plus It adds this piece to the trailer, which is a way to close the door. If you guys just have cam bars on your trailers, this piece is missing and it kind of sucks when you're inside and you got to try and close the door. So great feature there as well. There's a better peek of that window. It's nice. Someone comes to your door, you can see who is out there. So anyway, here it is. We would love to earn you guys' business if you're in the market for a new trailer. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state, and we are an exclusive off-road trailer dealer. We do have shipping options available for you guys, so you can call to inquire about that. And as always, you can reach us at 303-688-8485, or you can check us out online anytime at coloradotrailersinc.com.